Welcome to Mr. Khan Maths, and in this video I will be looking at dividing whole and decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. I will be going through a few examples using a place value grid to show you the steps taken to find solutions to any number or decimal being divided by a power of 10. So let's get started. Example 1, 4.5 divided by 10. I will firstly place the number being divided in my place value grid. Once this is done, I am now going to divide it by 10. When we are dividing by 10, the digits move one place to the right. So in this case, the 5 has moved from the tenths column to the hundredths column, and the 4 has moved from the units column to the tenths column. As you can see, the decimal place did not move, and it was the numbers that did all the moving. This has given us the answer, but we cannot leave it as a 0.45. So therefore, we will need to put in a place value holder in the units column, which will then give us our final answer for 4.5 divided by 10, which is 0.45. Moving on to example 2, 9.4 divided by 100. We will apply the same steps as shown in example 1. We will input 9.4 in its correct place value position on our grid. Now that we are dividing by 100, we will move our digits 2 places to the right. So the 4 will now move from the tenths column to the thousands column, and the 9 will move from the units column to the hundredths column. We will then need to import our placeholders, which will then give us our final answer to 9.4 divided by 100 as 0.094. Now moving on to a slightly different example. We will be dividing 510 by 1000. As done before, the same steps will be taken. Our 510 will be placed in the correct place value position on our grid. Now that we are dividing by 1000, we will be moving all our digits 3 places to the right on our place value grid, with our 1 moving from the tenths column to the hundredths column, and a 5 moving from the hundredths column to the tenths column. Now you may be wondering what has happened to our 0, which was in the units column. But because it is at the end of our answer, it is up to you if you would like to include it, and in this case, I haven't. Like we have done before in our previous examples, we will add a 0 in the units column to polish up our answer from 0.51 to 0.51. So the final answer to 510 divided by 1000 is 0.51. So hopefully at this point, you can see dividing any number by a power of 10, be it 10, 100 or 1000, it will become that many times smaller. And in the case, the numbers will move that many places to the right on our place value grid. Now I would like you to practice the steps by attempting Mr. Khan's skills check questions to work on your understanding. Here are Mr. Khan's skills check questions. Please press pause and have a go at the questions on your screen. Once you have completed the questions, press play to mark your answers. Here are the answers to Mr. Khan's skills check questions. See how you have got on by marking the questions you have done. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now and see you again soon.